Good morning, students. So, students, we already completed our history first chapter, that is in the Indian subcontinent and history. Hope you all have understood that lesson. Yes. Now, today onwards, we will start our civics first chapter, that is our life in society. So our life in a society means what? How we live in a society. What are our basic needs क्या है, हम लोग सोसाइटी में कैसे रहते हैं, how we developed while living in the society, that all things we are learning in this lesson. So let's start. So students, in 5th standard, in the last year, you have learned about evolution of man, development of plants and animals or men, that all things you learned in the previous year, that is in a 5th standard, that evolution of man, how man getting developed in their life, plants, development of plants, animals, all these things we learned in a previous year. So it tells that evolution of or the development tells that a life, our present social life has taken shape through a process of evolution over thousands of years. In that, through this lesson, we learn that how man's life getting changed through the process of evolution, how the man's life getting changed, getting developed over thousands of years. So man has from nomadic stage to a settled social life. पहले मैन लोगों की लाइफ कैसी थी? They roaming over here and there, roaming about place to place. Now nowadays their life is a settled social life. So our present social life has taken shape through a different processes of evolution over thousands of years. Man has moved nomadic stage. Nomadic means what? Moving over here and there, roaming place to place to a normal settled life. Okay. So in this lesson, you can see the picture. In first picture, it shows that nomadic life. It shows the evolution, development of man. You can see in first picture, they are like roaming here and there. Then in second picture, their life little bit settled. And in third picture, man's life getting developed. They use the technology. Okay. So now let's see, why did man feel the need for society? Why man feel the need for society? Society के लिए ज़रूरत क्यों है? Okay, let's see. A stable and secure community life, stable and secure settled life is necessary, is very important for the development of an individual or a person as well as society. The development is for person, people also, and society also is very important or very necessary. In the nomadic stage, when people are roaming here and there, in that stage, man did not have that kind of stability and security. When man get that type of stability or security, when man realize that living in a group provides security. In nomadic stage, that people did not have any kind of security or stability. When they realize that while living in a group, while living with a people come together to develop, they are developing their skills, they are developing their stability to organize way of life. This was one of the main motivations for the creation of the security. This is the important thing. What? To live in the group, to while living in the group and to develop our skills, to come together and to develop our life well organized. Living in a society, man felt the need for rules to help with the smooth functioning of day-to-day matters. It gave rise to conventions, traditions, ethics and values, rules and laws. See, when we are living in a society, we celebrate different festivals, we know the values and ethics of different religion. So while living in a society, men feel the need for all rules to help with smooth functioning of day-to-day matters. It gives rise to it helps to know the values, ethics, traditions of each other's religion. So man's life in a society became more organized and stable. When a person realize that while living in a group or is very important to develop our life secure, stable, and it helps to know each other's religion very well. While when we celebrate each other's festival, they are understood that values, ethics, so it helps to become the more our life become a more organized and stable. Okay, understood? Next, the social nature of man. Man is a social by nature. Man is a social by nature, as we all basically like to live with one another. No one can live alone. We are living with our family, we are living with our friends, so in a society. So we all basically like to live with one another, or we like each other's company. That's why we make a friends. हम लोग फ्रेंड्स क्यों बनाते हैं? हमें एक दूसरों की each other's company, we like each other's company with people around us. So living with people not only makes happy but also a need. When we make a friend, when we are with our friends, we forgot our sorrows, we forgot our we forgot all the bad things when we are living with our family, with our loved ones, our friends. So that's why making a friends is very important to make us happy and also our need. We have many needs. Okay, so in that, food, main needs, which is our physical needs. Food, shelter and clothing are our physical needs. Here underline this sentence: food, shelter and clothing are our physical needs. Food, shelter and clothing, these are our physical needs. Once these physical needs are satisfied, man gets a sense of stability. Man gets stability when man fulfill their physical needs: foods, shelter and clothing. When man satisfied with these needs, that time man gets stability in their life. But that is not enough. Only food, shelter and clothing is enough to live in the society? No, these are need. People need this, man need this needs, but these are not enough. With these needs, we also have some emotional and psychological needs. Only physical needs are not important. with physical needs we have some emotional and psychological needs also. It's very important. See, for example, to feel secure is an emotional need. To feel secure is our emotional need. When we are happy, when we are happy, we wish, when we are happy, see, for example, when I'll get the good marks in our test, in one test, when I'll get good marks, that time what I think, when we wish to share with our फैमिली विथ आर फ्रेंड्स. जब मैं हैप्पी रहती हूँ, जब मुझे टेस्ट में अच्छे मार्क्स मिलते हैं, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कब मैं जाके मेरे फ्रेंड्स को ये बात बताऊँ, कब मैं जाके मेरे मम्मी डैडी को ये बात बताऊँ. दैट टाइम वी विश टू शेयर आर हैप्पीनेस विथ others, with our family and with our friends. Similarly, when we are sad, but दैट टाइम ऑल्सो व्हेन वी आर सैड, जब हम लोग दुखी होते हैं, दैट टाइम ऑल्सो हमें ऐसा लगता है कि कोई ऐसा होता जिससे मैं मेरी सैडनेस शेयर कर सकता था. वी विश हैव समबडी विथ अस. सो वी हैव अ इमोशनल नीड्स एज वेल एज वी हैव अ साइकोलॉजिकल नीड्स. means what? We like companionship of our family members, relatives and friends. Understood, students? When we are happy, that time also we wish to share a happiness with others, and when we are sad, that time also we want that somebody with us, that we want to share with them. Okay, so we like companionship like friends, family and relatives. These feelings reflect a social nature. All these feelings, psychological, emotional, all these feelings are reflect. इसका reflection कहाँ होता है? Our social nature. Understood, students? Which are our physical needs? Food, clothing and shelter. And psychological and emotional needs also we have. Okay? Now let's move further. So you know that food, clothing and shelter are our basic physical needs. Like that way, same way, food, clothes, shelter, education and health is also very important, are our basic needs. Only as I told you, only physical needs are not important. With physical needs we have other needs also. सिर्फ food, खाना, मकान और कपड़े होने से चलेगा? No. We have to take education. We have in a good health is also very important. So food, cloth, shelter, education and health are our basic needs. All of you underline this sentence. Question will ask. Sometimes question will ask that which are our physical needs. That time you have to write food, clothing and shelter are our physical needs. And what is your basic needs? That time food, cloth, shelter, education and health are our basic needs. Understood? Due to the labor and skills of the people in the society, variety of articles are produced. So while living in a society, in society there are very skilled persons are living in a society. Very skilled labor, skilled people are living in a society. They produced variety of articles. See, so that's why education is important. Education and health related services and facilities are allows us to live with dignity. If highly educated people are there, then it's very allows us to live with dignity, with respect. So all this is made available in society. All these things are happen while living in a society. We learn many things with lot of things. We learn lot of things from while living in a society with each other's company. A variety of industries and occupations help to fulfill our needs. For example, take a simple example of our book, your notebook. We need books for studying purpose. Okay, we need books for studying purpose, but for making a single book notebook, how many people contribute? See, one person paper of take the example of a notebook, that to make a paper, manufacturing a paper, then manufacturing paper are doing different person, printing another person, then book binding also are there, so book binding is also doing another person. So there are different people, different person are involved for making a single book. Means manufacturing paper, printing and book binding. Means to make a single book there are a lot of people, persons contribute while making a single notebook. So many people contribute in the process for making a single book. So the variety of occupations in the society help us in a fulfilling our needs. This also lead to develop our skills and capabilities. Our basic needs are fulfilled in a society. Okay, our basic needs, that means food, clothes, shelter, education and health. These are our basic needs which society helps to fulfill, to live in a society. So we depend on each other for emotional needs. Okay, we all are depend with each other for a single small things. We depend with each other while living in a society, such as security purpose, appreciation, praise and support. These all are our emotional needs. Security, appreciation, praise and support, these all are our emotional needs. So all these things, because of that our life in a society is interdependent, with depend with each other. We are not independent. ऐसा कोई नहीं है जो सोसाइटी में है मुझे किसी की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Okay, so we all are depend with each other. So while living in a society, a life in a society is interdependent with each other. Interdependent means depend with each other. Understood, students? So what we learn? First we learn that evolution of man, that how man getting developed throughout his process. Then how man gets stable and secure life while living in a society, how they develop their needs, physical needs, basic needs, psychological, emotional needs. Understood? All of you understood which are our basic physical needs? See, food, clothes and shelter. These are our physical needs. And food, clothes, shelter, education and health are our basic needs. All of you understood, students?